All right, because I'm not good, Chloe George. Okay, so what is the side length of the smallest square that you could tile with rectangles that measure 8 inches by 36 inches? So what that means is you're going to tile, so you want to put these tiles together until you make a square. All right, so this would be looking for common multiples. Okay, so when you're making it, so what we know about squares is, remember, the side lengths are the same on both sides, right? But the rectangle, one's longer, one's shorter. So basically,
So you're just looking.
you're taking these tiles, which are 8 by 36, and you want to figure out how many it's going to take.
Are you just doing common denominator? Or like 8, 16. Yeah?
No, not that. No, remember we talked about lowest common multiples and greatest common. The GCF, the greatest common factor.
Yeah, which one are you doing?
Lowest common multiple.
What's that?
The LCM.
I don't remember that.
We'll get there, okay? All right, so what we're trying to do is we've got a square now. And it's going to be the same on both sides. Okay, so we'll say same. Let's say it's some value x. These are straight lines, by the way. That's a perfect square. Thank you very much. I nailed it.
Yeah.
Once again. So what we want to do is we want to see how many of those we need to put in.
Can I draw this?
You can if you want, like if it helps to visualize it. So we're going to see how many we need to put in. So all my lengths are the same on both sides, okay? Is this making sense?
It's not.
You guess so? That's the spirit.
Now, how are you?
Okay, so if you guys remember, what we did is we looked for LCMs too, right? Remember how we did lowest common multiples? Let's do that.
Is that when you did the short thing?
Remember I just counted them out? I went like, so I had 8, now I have down here 36. So to find, I have to find where they're the same, right?
What I just asked him to know.
I don't know, I don't really pay attention to you, Chloe. Truth bomb, I wasn't listening.
It's like 8, 16.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, that's actually what she said.
Oh, did she?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I was just like, yep. So 8, 16, 24, 32, there it is, 40, 48. Now I'm guessing because these numbers are small, like 8's a small number compared to 36, I'm going to have to write out a lot, okay? Because 36 plus 36 is actually 72, okay? So I'm just going to keep going. 6, 64, 8 times 8, come on now, and then 72. Look at that.
Oh, you got one.
I got my LCM. Okay, so I know, 36 inches, that's one tile, right? One tile. 72 would be 2 across, right? Just kind of like I drew here. Lucky guess. So that means it took 2 tiles across, so I took 2 tiles this way. 2. What's that? Very good. Excellent. Okay, so what Chloe just said was the answer. I got 2 tiles here, right? 2 tiles. Lengthwise, that's going to be 72 inches, right? Does that make sense? 36 times 2 is? Right. 2 tiles, 72 inches. And then I had to go 1 tile, 2 tile, 3 tile, 4 tile, 5 tile, 6 tile, 7 tile, 8 tile, 9 tiles down. So 9 tiles this way. So what's 9 times 8?
72.
So my square would be 72 inches by 72 inches.
I'm confused.
But you were the one that got the answer.
Yeah, without all that extra work.
But you don't have to show up. I'm just like this is like a
Well,
visual.
that was 2 by 9.
Yeah, 2 by 9 tiles. Yes. Okay, or 72 inches by 72 inches, whichever one I would consider right. Does that make sense? What I did there? You guys want to see another one?
Yes.
Do I have another one?
There's one for the largest square.
Yeah, good job.
Yeah.
Like,
The same numbers, but the largest one. 8 by
You do it on the
36.
back.
where do you get 9 by 8?
Oh, there's one on the back. Oh, did I print that off?
Do it
Oh,
on the back.
no, I didn't put that on my notes. Scratch that one out.
Why don't we do that?
We already have one on the back.
No, that's just practice.
That was practice stuff. That was factoring trees.
Wait, is there an example one that you don't have?
Yeah, example 2, like the largest square possible. Yeah, we don't need to do that one.
You just did it.
No, I did the first part.
100.
Okay, so you're gonna find the greatest common factor or the lowest common multiple. Does that make sense, you guys? Do you guys want to see another LCM one?
Yeah.
No?
Sure.
Sure?
Yeah. No.
Okay, sure, let's do another one. Okay, let's find another square this time.
We do it in this space where we just crossed out.
Sure. I was gonna do find the square. The square's dimensions, I'll say.
Do we have to draw that thing out?
No, you don't have to draw it. It was just a visual representation.
Okay.
The square's dimensions using 16 by 40 tiles. Does that make sense when I say 16 by 40? Okay. Fun fact, if you guys ever buy a home or anything like that, one day you will decide to like tile something. All right? I think you guys do tiling in grade 10 when you make those shop with Mr. Mark. Yeah, if you take PA, you'll make those tile things. So you get to learn about putting grout down, thin setting, and it's a pain in the butt, but everybody does it. It's just one of those fun things. Your dad's bricks, by the way, look.
We still have to put some waiting for it.
To dry?
Oh, we have to make sure it doesn't, it's not really really freezing or raining or something.
Oh man.
It took 5 hours to do a little plastic.
Yeah, I did brick pathways along my house last year, so I know exactly how much work and how much of a pain that is. So I feel for you guys, because you got roped into a job by your dad. Did you just say you're doing this?
2 by 5.
I don't know the answer.
Oh, very cool.
Well, we can go through it together, but very good. Okay, so you got a rectangular tile.
This is easy and you made it an explanation way harder than it really is.
All right, so you just want to put these tiles down so you make a perfect square.
Did I do it right?
2 by 5.
Yep.
Yeah, that works. Good.
What's the other? What's the other answer?
No, that's it. That's the answer, 2 by 5.
You said it works, not it's right. Yeah.
No, it works. Like, okay, good. Okay, so once again, 16 and 40. 40 is easy. Okay. So like the next multiple of 40 would be 80.
Look, you already got a common one. 80.
You could do
Well, I think I was like, look,
Oh my god.
120 if you want. Just keep adding, right? LCM or multiples of 16. 16. Or 2. Oh, 2.
Yeah.
Oh, what happened there?
You need to restart.
No, I don't.
That's what mine did, and then I lost all my work.
Shame on me. I'm not restarting. 48.
64.
64, thank you, and then 80. All right, look at that, 80. They're the same, right? So how many tiles did I go lengthwise? 2, right? 40, then 80. And to make up the width, I went 1 tile, 2 tiles, 3 tiles, 4 tiles, 5 tiles. So what that means is you have a square that looks like this. Chloe, ignore this because I know you hate this. It's 2 tiles long, but then I had to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that made my square. That made my pattern a square. Does that make sense?
You make it like a lot harder than
Yes.
this.
I thought this would be an easy way to show it.
Yeah, this looks weird.
Where's all my visual learners? Where are they in the house? Did it help?
No.
Thank you. Hey. Oh, Maddie,
You
you don't
like
count.
super explain it, but
What?
we just do the 2 lines.
Well, this one, okay, I'll admit, like, this probably doesn't help because it's
Not
mushed and, yeah.
Diagram.
There, done. If you guys don't get that, then there's nothing. No, I'm kidding. I just mangled the drawing on purpose. We're just having fun, you guys. Come on.
We just started
You
with
should have
exercise.
how much fun was that last class?
What's wrong with you guys?
Mr. F was dancing.
All right. So I'll give you 20 minutes. I want you guys to also tack on to what I gave you yesterday,
Not
Yesterday.
yesterday.
Thursday, Friday. What did we go up to? 8? Okay.
Do we have to do those questions?
13, 17, and 18. Okay, so I added those on. I'll give you guys about 20 minutes to work on this stuff.
Aren't they just LCM questions?
Yeah, LCM or GCF.
I don't know. Oh, okay, so that.
Yeah.
You.
But just add those numbers on.
You're still recording.
Yeah, it's fine. It's the end of the video, so whoever's watching this can stop it whenever they want.
They got to listen to the brick story.
They can't hear it. This video is just going to go on forever.
I can't hear anything.
Okay.